Hi beauties, it's Jane with Beauty and the Stamper, and Happy New Year. All right, so here is my information for the new year. Feel free to take a screenshot so you have it. Let's go ahead and get into a little late but unboxing last month's paper pumpkin. So I did take some time off, went and saw my family for the holidays. Let me know what you did. I'd love to hear. It was so nice, as I may have told you already in previous videos, but I'm glad to be back, and I'm glad to get into my paper pumpkin. It did not come until after I had left. So let's see. And I will be putting information out on this first and foremost. It's the Hugs and Kisses. You subscribe anytime between now and January 10th. So if you wanted to do that, go ahead. And what does this say? Oh, we're getting ready for Sale-A-Bration. So if you purchase your paper pumpkin between January 4th and the 28th, now you have to do a prepaid, then you could be eligible to get one of the free Sale-A-Bration items. So if you get a 3-month prepaid, it's $50. And you'll get or for every $50, you get a free Sale-A-Bration item. So if you get the 3-month, you can pick a Sale-A-Bration item. If you get the 6-month, you could get 2 of the Sale-A-Bration items or 1 larger priced Sale-A-Bration item, because they have $50 items and $100 items. And then if you get the 12-month prepaid subscription, you can get 4 $50 items or 2 $100 items, or 1 $100 item and 2 $50 items. So you get to pick and choose whatever you'd like. So, but that is for future paper pumpkins. I know some of you do wait until these celebrations so you can get them your year in advance. Great idea. Perfect thing to ask for Valentine's Day. So just do so between the 4th and the 10th to take place, to get your Sale-A-Bration item and to be able to be part of the Hugs and Kisses paper pumpkin. Now this one is called Lots of Pun, and let's see, the first color we're going to get, I guess the only color in this one, is Early Espresso. So very nice. And then we've got this. Let me get a piece of white paper so you could see. Oh, there's so many sayings. Holy smokes. We've got little faces here. We've got some cherries, some dots, a banana, some flowers. I'm thinking that's a piece of bread. Oh yeah, I loaf you. This one says, excited for you. So maybe that's an egg. I thought it was a flower. Have an excellent day. It's definitely an egg. You tell the best yolks. A toast to your success. Let's grow mold together. Gross. Celebrate. Go bananas. Peel better soon. Thanks a bunch. I pick you. Can't really tell what this is. Of course, I need to get my eyes out. You guys, I'm so... my eyes are getting old. So, that's the pits. It says, I'm sorry, that's the pits. And you are cherry sweet, and then that said hi. I could not figure that out without my glasses on. There's also these little dots, some sunglasses, a mustache, and a little party hat. Of course, we've got a little heart and a conversation bubble. That is a great bunch of stamps. Bunch, no pun intended. That's funny. I love puns. So let's open up this and really get into it here. Oh, I'm already seeing some stars, or not stars, some hearts for little embellishments. Super cool. open this right up and see what we've got here. We have some twine. We got little baby hearts and larger hearts. I already can tell I may hoard these little guys because they are too cute. And then we've got some of these, looks like a Coastal Cabana maybe. And then this one might be a Daffodil Delight. Some little embellishments. We've got our Stampin' Dimensionals. Loving the colors. I'm already ready. Christmas is over, so I'm ready for the spring and the brights and the summers. Look at this. Beautiful envelopes. Here's the yellow. Very pretty. And look at these. Oh, forget about it. Oh, there's going to be so many alternatives. I already know. Look at those. So we've got a few of those card bases. We've got some vellum circles and a little rectangle there. Got some cutouts, say hello, and then some little, what are they called? Little fringes of sorts. Scallops, scalloped fringe. We've got a lot of little rectangles here, a few large rectangles, and then it looks like there's 3 rectangles here as well with some stripes on them. We've got, these are so cool. Nice little bases. And then we've got some eggs, some bananas, toast, cherries, all done up for you so you know what you could do. So we've got our cutouts, our ephemera, if you will. And then look at this. This looks like a breakfast table, right? I love these colors. And then here we go. We have some conversation bubbles. There is, let me take this out for you. 2 pieces. We've got this piece here, a little starburst, and then this square with this cut out. So we've got 2 things we can do there. And we've got a few sheets of those. We've got some more rectangles. These are larger with some beautiful stripes on them. And we've got some little mini glue dots. And now let's look at the directions to see what they are. Yes, look at this. Can you see that? Full conversation here. This says, let's grow mold together. I loaf you. You tell the best yolks. This one has little sad faces. It says, I'm sorry, that's the pits. Little banana with the hello. He's got some sunglasses. And it says, hello, peel better soon. And then, of course, it comes with the instructions on how to do each card. And let me tell you, they also have some alternative items here. You can always go to paperpumpkinhowto.com and you'll scan the QR codes and you can get all of this information on how to do all of this. So that is so cool. Look at that. That is fun. That's a little candy. So I will definitely be making alternatives. I wanted to open this with you guys and let you know, even though we did not do our paper pumpkin, I am going to do a paper pumpkin live. And I don't know when that will be, but if you have my email or if you watch my social media, I will be putting it there so that you can join me. I am thinking it will be this weekend, but I am going to be watching football on Sunday, so it won't be tomorrow. it may be later today. So we will see. Again, make sure you subscribe so that you can see when I do go live. And I cannot wait to do this with you guys. This will be the only one that I do live for everybody. As you know, I reward my Paper Pumpkin subscribers with live classes that they could come and actually sit in, and we do them together. That is the last Monday of each month. So since this one was missed, we're going to go ahead and do this weekend to make up for it, and I'm going to let everybody, but starting with January and that Hugs and Kisses Paper Pumpkin, we will be doing it on the last Monday of January, invitation only, and then I will put that up for you guys to see, but it will not be live for people who are not subscribed. So if you'd like to subscribe, go to my website, jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net. Again, if you do so after January 4th, the sweet spot is before the 4th and the 10th. And you can purchase your pre-purchase, get your celebration item, and make sure that you are in for my class on Stampin' Up's Paper Pumpkin class on my site. It's all done via Zoom, and I hope that I can see you guys there. All right, beauties, have a wonderful weekend. Again, Happy New Year. I am so glad you are all safe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.